How to fix 404 error on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the 404 error on Google Chrome using few simple steps. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, let us get right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Chrome, tap on the three lines at the top right. And then from here, you are just going to go ahead and open up your settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, head over to privacy and security on the left side of your screen, and then click on delete browsing data. Now you're just going to head over to advanced and select the browsing data that you want to delete. So as you can see, there are cookies and other site data right here. Now select the time range to anywhere between 7 days or last 4 weeks, and then click on delete data. And once you have done that, you should be able to log into the website that's showing you the error. But in some cases, what happens is if you are trying to log into a certain URL or trying to reach certain URL, it might be the case where the URL has been changed. There might be certain changes on the URL, so you're not able to find the exact URL as before. So you just have to confirm if the URL is the same as before or not. And after you've done that, you can just go ahead and open up your control panel, hit enter, and then from here head over to your network settings. So go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center, and then from here click on Troubleshoot Problems. And once you have done that, you're just going to go ahead and run a troubleshooter for your network. So click on the networks right here. If you see it, just click on Run and you should be good to go. And after you've done that, what you are going to do is click on Change Advanced Sharing. And from here, you just want to head back to Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down a bit and until you find the network reset settings. So click on Reset now. It might be because you're having some problem with your network, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.